Unraveling the Mystery. How to Rustle Up Understanding. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, rustle up a mystery. This expression is a colorful way to describe the process of creating or uncovering a mystery. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone who loves the intrigue of a good mystery, this video will help you understand and use this phrase with confidence. First things first, let's break down the phrase. Rustle up traditionally means to quickly find or prepare something, especially food. It evokes the idea of gathering items together with speed and efficiency. However, when used in different contexts, it can take on other nuances. In our phrase, rustle up suggests creating or bringing about something, in this case, a mystery. Moving on, let's explore what a mystery really means. A mystery is something that is difficult or impossible to understand, explain, or identify. It's a situation, event, or piece of information that intrigues us because it is hidden, unknown, or puzzling. Mysteries can be found in stories, real-life events, or even in the process of learning something new. When we say someone is going to rustle up a mystery, it means they are about to initiate a process that will lead to the creation or discovery of a mystery. This can be used in various contexts, such as in literature where an author might rustle up a mystery for their characters to solve, or in real life where someone might find themselves unexpectedly involved in a mysterious situation. To effectively use rustle up a mystery in conversation or writing, consider the context. It's perfect for situations where there's a sense of immediacy and intrigue. For example, the detective novel starts with the main character trying to rustle up a mystery at an old, abandoned mansion. Let's rustle up a mystery tonight by exploring the haunted forest at the edge of town. These examples show how the phrase can add a layer of excitement and curiosity to stories and adventures. And that wraps up our exploration of rustle up a mystery. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you, adding another intriguing expression to your English language toolkit. Remember, language learning is an adventure filled with mysteries to unravel, and each new phrase is a clue leading you closer to mastery. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic mysteries together.